Mail call for the Wagyu. We have his oil pump drive and distributor. Distributor's in that box. I'll take it out in a bit because I do have to change the drive gear. We talked about the pulley. I'm going to put that on. What else we got? Oh, I got to paint the hold down. Got a couple of little things I got to paint and get ready. And then I can start on my fuel line today as well. Yay! So we have our oil pump drive from Melling. And I did buy the super beefy, high performance, super strong, badass one. Because we do have a high volume pump. And, well, you know, roller cam and everything. So everything's really stout. So just want to make sure we don't break an oil pump drive. So it's worth the extra couple bucks. So I'm going to put this in. And then I can start priming the oil system here in a little bit. I do want to finish my belts. And then I will go from there. What, Bernsey?
It's not a bad view.
You're totally out of focus. Focus.
Focus.
What in the hell?
Like
Why is this blurry? There it is. Now it likes you. For a minute. Yeah, so Bernsey's not on the topic I was shooting, so. But
say hi, everybody.
He's just saying hi while laying on the floor. Look, all the belts are on. All new, aligned, pretty. Perfect. Belts are done. I just poured oil in the... Damn it. I just poured oil in the engine. So it has oil in it. I'm now going to prime the oil system. And then I do need to put... I need to swap out... That's the wrong temp sender. But I have the right one. These have been getting hard to get because nobody gets the concept of there's two different ones from Ford. But there's the right one. Ooh, there it is. There it is. It's good. Okay, so we got that. So I'm gonna put that in. Prime oil system. After I do that, I'm gonna stab the distributor because I want to route my plug wires. So that's done, and that way I can route my breather. Hey, where did I ordered it, and it should have came in the same order as the rest of this stuff. There's a little thing that I drill and put on the bottom of the air cleaner for this. There was a little titty. No, that's not it. That's for the cover.
I was just looking at it. I have no clue. I didn't see it in the box.
Okay, so we need to go hunting for that because I kind of need to route that and then route our PCV too. Okay, so we'll deal with that. But I'm going to prime the oil system, change that, and then stab the distributor and run our plug wires. Yay!
Don't stab it, set it.
Oh, I'll stab it. Stabby rip, stab, stab. This is the way we prime the oil, prime the oil, prime the oil. This is the way we prime the oil all day long. All right. Got oil up at the lifters already. Looking good, looking good. Sticking it in, big boy.
Just curious, that's all.
You're curious. Are you bi-curious? Pull the distributor out of the box, which I have to change the gear first. And pull it out, unwrap it, and it goes click, 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 clink. What the hell fell on the floor? Why is there plastic flying everywhere? What the hell? I blame FedEx. But that's okay. We have extra caps and rotors and what have you, but still annoying. I gotta put Pertronics in this too, so it's gonna take me a little bit. Still irritating.
Still love it.
Nice OSHA-proof shoes, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, Bobby.
Yeah.
What was the sound that it made?
Oh.
Click.
Click, click, bang, boom, bang.
What?
You tried to make me make a joke that was inappropriate.
I didn't try and make you do... I don't see anybody twisting your arm or putting a gun to your head.
I know, right?
Just one in my bag if you really want to. Wait, what? I said that loud? Oops.
Sorry.
Don't care.
There goes that video.
Nah, I don't care.